Today I'm going to show you how to restore old deleted WhatsApp chats. As you can see, I'm going to delete this conversation. I click on delete chat, and as you can see, the conversation has been deleted. Before doing this, you should check that you have the security copy activated. So you go to the three dots up, click on settings, and go to security copy. And it should look something like this. You should see your email and the date of the last security copy. Then you go to settings, go to applications, and click on WhatsApp. Go where it says cache and click on delete data. Accept it. And now go back to WhatsApp, log in again, and when it asks you to restore the security copy, you click on restore. And as you can see, the old chat has been recovered.